If you've ever wondered how to center objects in Tinkercad quickly and accurately, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to center shapes using the Align tool, so you can line things up perfectly without guessing or moving objects around by hand. This is one of the most useful Tinkercad skills for beginners because it saves time and gives you clean, professional-looking results every time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is select the objects you want to center. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across all the shapes at once, or you can hold the Shift key and click each object one by one. Once your objects are selected, you'll know they're ready for alignment. Now, to center them properly, you need to use the Align tool. You can find it in the top right toolbar in Tinkercad, or if you want a faster shortcut, you can simply press the L key on your keyboard. This will open the alignment controls and show you the points you need to use. After activating Align, you'll see black dots appear around your selected objects. These dots are the alignment handles, and they let you control exactly how the shapes line up. If you want to center objects left to right, click the middle dot on the horizontal line. That will bring the shapes into the center along the sideways axis. Then, if you also want to center them front to back, click the middle dot on the vertical line. This will align the objects perfectly in the other direction as well. In just a couple of clicks, your shapes will be centered with precision. This is why the Align tool is so important in Tinkercad. Instead of trying to eyeball the position of each shape, you can use these alignment dots to make sure everything is symmetrical and placed exactly where you want it. Whether you're building a simple model, designing parts for 3D printing, or arranging multiple objects for a project, centering your shapes correctly makes a huge difference. If your objects still don't look right, just make sure you selected all of them before using Align. If one shape is missed, the alignment may not behave the way you expect. Also, take a second to confirm you clicked the middle dots, since the outer dots will move the objects to the sides instead of centering them. So to recap, the process is simple. Select your objects, press the Align tool or hit L on your keyboard, then click the center dots to line them up perfectly. That's the fastest and most accurate way to center in Tinkercad. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other Tinkercad tutorials you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.